Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to install OBS Studio in Ubuntu or any other Linux distro. Firstly, I will be pasting all these commands I have on my right hand side in the description. So if you just don't want to watch the video, you just can go to the description and copy and paste the codes directly to a terminal. Okay, firstly I'll just update the app repository. So I'll just put my password and I'll just copy the second. I have to add this repository again for it's the OBS Studio repository. Okay, it's taking time. Cool. Space that. It will add it, and I'll just use the app repository. Okay, I have to press an enter to continue. Just press enter. And the next command is just to install OBS Studio. Okay. Cool, and based on my Wi-Fi, I don't think it's going to take a lot of time. Just have to wait for a while. Tick, tick, tick. Yeah, there you go. I think it's finished. Yeah, I think installation and extraction is left, I guess. Yeah, we will unpack OBS Studio. Great. Come on. Yeah, there you have it. So now you can obviously go to your app menu and you can just have OBS Studio right there, right down there. But you can also use OBS command to start your OBS Studio from the terminal. Yeah, it will just show you exactly all the things, but you can also see if anything you need here and it's present there. There are also some commands which you can go to the internet and watch it. With that, thanks for watching.